Alright guys, so I'm replacing the secondary air flow pump for my 2005 Audi A8, and this is the first step. You're gonna take off this cover right here on the passenger side. Alright, I may have to take this off, but the pump is right here. So I'm gonna try to lift the car up a little bit here without taking out the tires and everything, and see if I can access it and install the new one, which is right in my trunk. So I'll show you guys how to do it. All right guys, so I already removed everything, but I'll show you. It's pretty simple, guys. So this is the passenger side of the car, and the pump is right under here and in front of here. So what I did is I took out this, which is pretty, you can just hold by clips. You can literally just, you see how I just did that? That comes out, you get access to the pump that I showed you earlier. There's 3 screws that hold this light. I took it out so I can get easy access with my hand. You can also get under here after. But before you do all that, make sure you put the emergency brake on, lift the car on the passenger side, so that way you have leverage to slide under. And then once you do that, if you need to access it by hand or by using a 10, there are 3 10mm screws that detach from the pump itself, and there's like some rubber cushions right here with screws that go on here. I took them off this one and put it in here, but there's 2 Phillips screws right here that you take off. I used the little so I didn't have to take off the tire. Usually you have to take off the tire so you can get to these screws, but I have a small Phillips that I can get here without doing that, so that saved me some time. You could do that, remove that. Once you get that, you have access here and the front, and then you take out the clips. 1 electric, 2 for the air flows, and now my code is gone because I replaced it already. This is the old one. The replacement one I got from the storage, from the junkyard, is already installed already. I'm gonna click that back in place. But you can definitely get through from under here once you remove the clip. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions, if there's anything else that you have any questions about the Audi air injection airflow pump, just let me know, guys. And I'll see y'all on the next one. And let me just show y'all real quick. Alright guys, so I was able to get everything done and I was able to clear the code. I'll show you guys. Check engine light, gone. Using my car reader. And that's it. That's it. I'm ready to roll.